Differential is also be called by derivative. In mathematics, the derivative of a function of a real variable measures the sensitivity to change of the function value with respect to a change in its argument. Derivatives are a fundamental tool of calculus. Differential can help us to solve many types of real-world problems. We use the derivative to determine the maximum and minimum values of particular functions. Example, cost, strength, amount of material used in a building, profit, loss, etc.
Mr. Gojo has an apple orchard. He has 50 apple trees in the orchard. Each of apple trees in orchard Mr. Gojo produce 800 apples. One day, Mr. Gojo tells Side that he wants to plant more apple trees, but every new apple tree will drop 10 apples. He asks Side how many trees should he plant so he can maximize the total output of tree.
He wishes to maximize the total production of the apple. Therefore, we can use the applied maximum and minimum method to solve this problem. P, which is the maximum production of apples, is equals to the number of trees times the apple output per tree, which is equals to the 50, which is the amount of trees present, plus x times 800, the apple produced per tree, minus 10x. Next, we'll be using the first derivatives in order to find the number of trees we need to plant, which is the x variable. If we expand the p will become negative 10x to the power of 2 plus 300x plus 40,000. If we differentiate it, it will become negative 20x plus 300. Then by using the extremum, we know that dp over dx is equals to 0. Therefore, we can find the value of x. 0 equals to negative 20 plus 300x. We bring the negative 20x to the left to make it positive, and bring down the 20, making the 300 divided by 20, which is equals to 15. Now we know how many trees that needs to be planted, but we need to do the second derivative test to know whether the production will be at maximum or minimum value. When we differentiate it for the second time, it will be negative 20. Therefore, when x equals to 15, the second derivative will be at negative, which implies that it will be maximum if we look at a graph. By substituting x into p, the value of p will be 42,250 apples.
Now, I would like to talk about conclusion that we can get from this presentation. I really hope you guys love and enjoy our video. Firstly, it is commonly used for maximum and minimum problem. It's not like it's that for that only. It's just that this maximum and minimum problem usually used in real life problem. Like we engineer, we sure will apply it someday when we finally get into our field of work. Secondly, we can apply and use this to solve daily life problem. Like in the previous scenario, we can find how much apple tree that Uncle Gojo need to plant to maximize the output. Thirdly, the formula and step use is easy and can be used in lot of problem and easy to study. Lastly, the differential is very important in calculus because we can find the rate of change and many more. It also can be the core of new solution and solve many problems we face in this era. We can also invent new things by using differential. Like I say, differential is not a solution or a number, but it's our own revolution and technology to make us keep forward in the future. Thank you.